Welcome to another market update after the market close, 2nd of May 2025. So there's a saying, and it's not actually true that often, sell in May and go away. Let's see if it's true this time around. This year around, it's actually more like sell in March and go away. So anyway, what's happened then? After this long bull market that my system called way back then, took profits, and then it's bouncing back, but that resets the whole system. And the system is proven for decades, and for good reason. It gets you in and out, and avoids a lot of in between uncertainty, and that's what it's got you out right now. Not to say that you can't make individual trades. I'm just talking about that particular system, and as well as saying, is this a bull or a bear market? Right now, we can't say this is a bull market. We can't say it's a bear market. This is in the transition zone. Having said that, the market has made a rapid comeback in the last 2 weeks to the point now where it's trying to get back to in a respectable place. So, but we can't call that a trend yet. This is just a very powerful comeback. We can zoom in here. We can see what happened this week. I mean, it's not incredibly impressive, this rally, but it's there. The market is looking stretched here though, and same thing for the Dow Jones Industrials and the Nasdaq, which was running up high, but it's getting back to a level now where a lot of the damage that was done at least is being repaired if it was affecting you. And so other indicators I'm just looking at here, everything is kind of reflecting that. The fear index has plummeted back down again, and so on. So where's some individual stocks at? Here's one we had here, KGRN, and if you got into that one, that's just started to bounce nicely. What else have we got here? Let's look at NYC, and that one was in down here, so that's just ticking along. And Dave, if you're still in it, or if you took profits and got back in here, that's fine. This one's reacting beautifully once again. I mean, if we're in back here, if you got back in there, as I was saying, this one's already up, like 50% again. So it's a really powerful one now, and it's been with us. It survived the storm, pretty much. UNG, this one kind of looked like it had a small loss here, stopped out, but if you stayed in, then that's fine. ITIC, this one we're in recently, and that one is pushing up now, so that's good. And BBSI, same story here. We got in here, and that's pushing up high now. So those are all looking good. There's one we could look at this week if you wanted to trade, and that is BRO. If you wanted to be in here between 108 and 110 with a stop loss at 106, I will mark that one. Down. And everything else, as expected. That's all for this week. I'll speak to you next time.